Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Morphe James Charles palette, which is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be doing like a purpley look, something simple that everybody can follow, and I just really hope you guys like it. I really like it. I enjoy this palette a lot, and yeah, I'm basically jumping into it. Okay, then I already did my eyebrows with the NYX eyebrow cake powder, and the white around my eyes is the NYX eyeshadow base. I also already put on some eyeshadow primer or eye primer from Fenty, and now I'm just going straight in with the palette. Now the first color I'm using, which is like my safety net that I always put on top, is Code James. That's what I'm using now for, over my eyes, the brown. It's the color Code James from this palette. After I'm done applying this color, I basically go in with another color, the purpley color from his palette that is called Single. See, look, it's just also another gorgeous color. And I put that on both of my eyes. Really simple, easy breezy. If I can do it, you can do it. Now I'm going in with the sparkly color from the palette again. It's called Artistry. Nothing, extreme, still simple. I just want to do a little shimmer, but I probably would do it a little bit different if I did it again, but this still came out looking really nice. And like I said, it's easy, something that anybody can do. Now I'm basically applying eyeliner, and what I'm using is from Mary Kay, and it's kind of a dark brown, I believe. Yeah, it's really nice trying something new. Like I said, I know somebody from Mary Kay, so I get their stuff every now and then to help support. Really nice, something simple. I try to do it like sharp yet not too sharp and blend it in. I just want it to look nice, you know? Look at that face. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Base for my eyelashes, you know, to prime my mascara. And then afterwards, I'm going in with the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. I finally removed the tape. I like what I'm seeing. It's, you know, nice and even because that's usually a problem with me. But now I'm going in with the Fenty foundation in the color 390. And I'm going to do my usual highlight contour, you know, with the matchsticks, you know. You'll see. You'll see. Just keep watching. just like I said, I'm using the matchsticks. I went in, I did my highlight with the color caramel. Then I did my contour with the color truffle. Then I'm gonna set like my highlight area with the Derma blend, and I do try something different. Like you see, I was just sitting on there. Oh, I'm sorry. That is the lip from Urban Decay lip liner, Conspiracy. I told you I'd be all over the place. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to set under my eyes on the highlight with the Derma blend, but I put the powder on my brush and then like try to smooth it out like extra hard to see if that is something different. The lip that I quickly held up is my favorite from Sephora, Brunch Date. That is just, it's just my favorite. I don't know if that'll ever go anywhere. Sometimes I feel like I need to get 50 of them for just in case, but yeah, that was something that I did a little different with highlighting. Now for my contour, I do go back in with the Too Faced Dark Chocolate, you know, my usual. Then I come back at y'all full face, and I'll tell y'all everything after that. Thankfully, I got back into frame. Now I'm basically doing my waterline with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the color Exit. It's white. I just wanted to switch it up or do it again because I think I did it in another video. I don't know. I know I did do it in another video, but I don't know if I put it up yet. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Now I'm going back over the gel liner with the color, what is this, Flashback from the palette, to really make it stand out and stay there and like not get all over the place. But yeah, that's basically all I'm doing. Now I'm doing my bottom lashes. I see I'm out of the frame, so I'm just like, I'm gonna come back full face. But I did my bottom lashes with the Mary Kay again. I did my cheeks, you know, blush with the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. My highlight with Desi Kate Dose of Colors and Chasing the Sun. The lashes that I have on are Bronze Beauty from Eyelure. I set my face with the Fenty Transparent. I use the Mario to spray. I like it, but I don't like the bottle. And that's basically it. I don't think I forgot anything. I really hope you guys like it. Comment, subscribe, you know, just everything. Support me, you know, talk to me. Follow me on my other social media platforms. Thank you so much. All right, bye. Have a good one.